Waymark. This week, I want to focus on the course in general. Our first topic is plagiarism. Plagiarism is taking someone else's information and calling it your own. It's against college policy and it's just plain wrong. Now, sometimes plagiarism is intentional, and this means that the student set out to copy and paste information from the internet and claim it as original work. That's especially wrong. But there are other times when it's just a matter of not citing the information. But either way, I want to go over how to cite information correctly. First of all, your submission should not contain more than 25% quotes. This means you should paraphrase or make the information original by rewriting it. You can use a quote or two, but it must be cited within the text and in the bibliography. Check it out. If you look to the left of the blue arrow, the quote is referenced to the citation in the bibliography. We do this for a couple of reasons. So the reader can go to the source and learn more, and to give credit where credit is due. The rules for avoiding plagiarism apply to assignments, discussions, and quizzes. If you want to use something from the internet in the discussion forum, you may do so, but you'll need to provide the source. Since most of the content we are learning is not common knowledge, the information is found somewhere in the textbook, article, online, or through a video. Regardless, the source must be cited. A fair warning on using internet sources for quiz answers. This is not permitted. A quiz is designed to assess your knowledge. If you copy and paste information from the internet to respond to a quiz answer, you are not demonstrating mastery. Your answer may be marked wrong. Now, let's talk about locating important information within the course. I received an abundance of emails asking questions about assignment directions or clarification of information this week. Questions that are asked in the virtual office are answered each and every day. I also provide additional information in the course announcements throughout the week. However, if you do not utilize this section, you may be asking a question that has already been asked and answered. It is your responsibility to check the virtual office and course announcements every time you log in. The links are found on the home page. Check it out. Take the time to review the contents of each link each and every day. You may just find the answer you're looking for. Next, let's talk about when and how to send for help. The week runs from Monday to Sunday. That's a full 7 days. In the course of the week, it's required that you log on and review the weekly materials. The earlier you do this, the more likely you will be able to get the help you need. For example, you can structure your week like this. On Monday, open all weekly links to review what's due, the guidelines for assignments, and the discussion forum question. On Tuesday, post your initial main post in the discussion forum, start reading the materials, and start taking notes. On Wednesday, respond to new discussion forums and begin working on assignments. At this point, you should jot down any questions for the instructor and send them via email or post a question in the virtual office. On Thursday, submit assignments that are completed and respond to new discussion forum posts. Friday, begin to wind down your week by completing any quiz or assignments pending and check the discussion forum for anything new. On Saturday, look for gradebook comments for an opportunity to revise your work and check out discussion forum posts. Sunday, get any last-minute work completed and submitted and give one last look at the discussion forum. The last thing you want to do is wait until Sunday evening to email me your questions. Keep in mind, I'm at least 3 to 4 hours ahead of you. Check it out. If you wait until Sunday evening to get directions for an assignment, you will probably be late in turning the assignment in. Keep in mind, I don't work on Sunday evenings. If you are proactive in the beginning of the week, you will manage your time much better. Moving forward, I want to talk about course videos. The videos us instructors provide are typically homemade. Since we are not professionals or Hollywood actors, the quality of the video may not be that of a true videographer. For me, I use iMovie and convert it to a YouTube video. Sometimes technology just is not on my side. This past week, the sound failed on one particular video. You should note that directly under the video, a link to the actual script is provided. If technology fails, use the script to follow along. The resource is available to you for that reason. On a final note, I would like to encourage you for the remainder of the course to be resourceful. If you have a question, try to locate the information on your own first. You can always clarify it with me afterwards. The reason I say this is not because I'm lazy and I don't want to help. I want you to develop good habits during college. Part of a college education is learning critical thinking skills. This means locating information, deciding whether it is authentic and useful, synthesizing the information, and coming to conclusions based on the information you found. If you ask for an answer, you will not learn how to locate answers. So before you ask a question, look for information and send it to me. Your email might look like this. Dear Professor Cat, our lesson this week talks about how to write a chronological resume. I did not know what chronological meant, so I looked it up online, and I found that it means putting things in date order. Can you confirm this? I also found the following article. Can I use this template for my resume? Signed, Sarah, student. If you send an email like this, I will verify the information and give you the go-ahead, or even provide you with more information. This demonstrates your ability to think, evaluate, research, and come to conclusions. You'll need these skills for college. Please review the information in this video over and over again to be sure you understand. If you have any questions, please refer to the video for information on how to contact me. I wish you a good week.